Do a little cleanup around this area. I know she looks dark, dilapidated, and beat down, but I think it's gonna be all good. Let's do it how it go. Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm solo dolo today. We had some bad weather, so we hadn't been able to get up to the homestead. We're gonna introduce y'all to the Marie, and this is the first tiny home we started to work on almost a year ago. So you can see springtime is in. I got some cleaning up to do. It shouldn't take very long, but it might be a quick video. I don't have a wife with me, and that's cool. It sucks. I like working with her, but I'm gonna be cleaning up all of this stuff back here. But anyway, yeah, y'all, like I said, this is the Marie, and it's my daughter's tiny home. So yeah, let's get it. Hey y'all, if you're wondering, these are the wheel wells that I knocked off of the trailer that the tiny home is sitting on. And yeah, don't need those anymore. I should have brought my goggles out here. Got everything done around me. I'll give y'all a quick pan. That's the back. I'm gonna clean this stuff up really quick. All right, that might do it. More junk. There's one load. All right. Piece of tin from somewhere. Let's get the junk out the way so we can cut. Go back and look at the first videos we ever posted. They're in a playlist, so just make sure you hit the playlist. Y'all can watch them all. They ain't as cool and fun, and they just me, but nah, the wife is in there too. Yeah, she in there. It's a whole lot of little wood pieces over here. Well, I hope no wasps done made they nest under here. Cause that would suck right now. All right. Y'all, I still have a little window. I was looking for a window for the powerhouse. Yo, yes, man, that's why you keep stuff. That's why you reuse stuff. I need this little window for a powerhouse, which is coming up in another episode. Man, that's dope. These are the windows that go in the Marie behind me. So I don't have to worry too much about the cost of windows. So the windows that were just right there, that's that first one with the broken pane right there. And then the big one is right behind it. And then the smaller one is there. Well, this opening is for that big one that's there. And then there's an opening here. Of course, we got to cut the OSB away for that other window. And then that other window is identical to it. And that's going to go in this opening. Lay this down for a second. Y'all, the door is also secondhand. I found it at a Habitat for Humanity restore. Damn, it's heavy. And since that one was already level, I'll leave it there like that. That's good. It's way off the ground. This thing is about to be built and up on the homestead. I gotta lean him harder than that though. This little guy, I think, is coming with me. I'm gonna go ahead and bring that up to the property because that's where we're gonna be building the power shed. Let me show y'all a little bit of the inside of this. I know I went over it a little bit before, but I'm gonna just show you real quick. I'm gonna get in through the window. We got 10 here because this is what we were working on to put the roof on the last time I worked on it. The plans changed just a little bit. The ceiling is 13 feet tall. There's gonna be a loft. It's 15 feet by 8 feet wide. So this is the door area. So you'll enter from this side. I mean, if we talking about it, we want to see real quick. We come through the door and turn that way. Windows, loft, and then another, I don't know, however many feet, 4 feet, 4.5 feet for the loft that'll be sitting there. It is a lean-to, so you could see that it slants off to the back, and that'll be drip edge. And then up front, it'll have a little overhang over the door and everything. So yeah, walk in, your windows, everything. You open the door directly to your right. There's a door. Open your door up, walk in. You got your toilet and your shower. It is a tiny home. So yeah, this is the first one we building, y'all. I'm extremely proud of it. The very next thing is to make sure we treat it for any mildew or mold that might be in here because it's been outside. Insulate this bad boy, put an AC in it, and get it done. Thank y'all for rocking with me. I'm checking it out because I hadn't been in here in a while, and it's so dope. I can't wait to get back to work on it, but peace, y'all.